guys, welcome to another video. All your My Legion Secret users, I am excited to share this video with you, but more than anything else, I hope that you're ready to take a pen and paper and write down some information because we're going to be doing a cash flow training or a My Legion Secret training for you. So I'm going to hop onto my computer, share with you more on how I save time every single week using this strategy with My Legion Secret at its core. It's the catalyst. It's a lovely way to get started. I combine My Legion Secrets and Warrior Plus, but you can do it with ClickBank. You can do it with anything out there under the sun. As long as you have the elements of the strategy in place, you're on the good path of moving forward with affiliate marketing. So let me hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And before I go ahead and share with you what I want to talk about, I'm just going to do what I do on a weekly basis so that you guys see, but I wanted to document it so that at least, it's not just, it's familiar. It's more like a case study for you guys, but now it's also familiar of what exactly that I'm doing. So first and foremost, if you guys don't know or you're coming to this channel for the first time, welcome. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And on this channel, we focus on sharing and educating you guys freely on the skill sets of affiliate marketing. I do have a full-time job, guys. I've been doing this on and off for the last 10 years, or actually more than that at the moment. And I have had my successes, I've had my failures, but now I'm way more consistent and everything is just working really smoothly. So I want to make sure that I do document my journey because I think this time is where I'm going to be pushing it forward to, actually going into it full time over the long term. And there are certain elements in place that I'm putting together. So if you want to follow along on the journey, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. If not, that's absolutely fine. Take these videos, use them for yourself, get some due diligence, get some education, and start to take action, because one of the things that's holding you back is that you're not taking action on the information that you are absorbing. I personally am, responsible also for this, and many times I watch videos and I don't take action after that. Well, stop and just pick one video, pick one of the do your due diligence and start the journey. Okay, that's primarily what I want to say to you. If you guys don't know, I use a strategy which is within a course called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. It's a course that I put together after 1 year of actually implementing this strategy, and you can find that course in the description of this video. And the primary advertising source that we use for affiliate marketing is My Legion Secret. Before I get into it, affiliate marketing, you need, whether you're using this as your advertising source or not, you need two primary skill sets with affiliate marketing: advertising, and what I say is copywriting. Okay, these are the primary two skill sets. Why? Because when you put an automation on the technical side in place and you have advertising going to your offer, you focus on the copy is needed for your conversions of this funnel, is needed for your email conversions. It's pretty much needed for every single thing that you do. So knowing these two skill sets is very important. Despite the traffic generation methods, if you're using whatever and you are converting whatever offer service, it really doesn't matter. These two skill sets are needed. So how do you speak to people, and then how do you get them to convert into a sale? Do you need to sell all the time? No, you do not. How do you build a relationship with these leads and these customers that you are looking for in the long term? You want to attract the right kind of people to your business, and I personally use My Legion Secret for that. Why? Because My Legion Secret solves two of these problems. One, it's giving me 100 leads every single day, and secondly, it's giving me a space to practice that email marketing and copywriting so that I get conversions on when I send out an email every single day. Now, it doesn't promise you that you're going to make sales. It doesn't promise you any results, but what it does give you is 100 leads every single day. So that's the only thing. We as marketers, guys, we are responsible for the conversions. I keep saying this in all of my videos because sometimes it doesn't drill into people's minds. They think that, oh, since I'm using this traffic method or this advertising method, I'm going to get conversions. No, that's not correct, guys. We need to put in the work and the effort as advertisers or as marketers to convert that into sales, obviously. Okay, so that's pretty much our job. How much does My Legion Secret cost? It costs you $30 to maintain every single month, and a $30 startup fee. So $60 the first month and $30 every single month after that, in case you want to get started with it. I personally have been using it since 2023. It's been around since 2017, if I'm not mistaken, or 2019. I'm not sure exactly which. I think 2019 would be more realistic. But anyway, choice, it's been there for a while. It's working really well. They give me fresh leads every single day, and so I send out an email every single day with them. That's the whole process. Now, the way I save time on a weekly basis and a monthly basis doing this, as you guys can see right here, I use Warrior Plus, by the way, to share products and services on my Legion Secrets. And if I just log into Warrior Plus, just give me a second. So I'm just logged into Warrior Plus just to show you guys a little bit of my results. If I go to transactions and I go to all-time transactions, so you guys can see very clearly, and I'm just going to show you my all-time transactions. And by the way, guys, the results that you're just going to see right now on the screen are not typical. These are my results. I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to make the same results. You do have to put in the work and the effort. In fact, this is going to take you time. It's going to take you effort. You do need to put in the work to be able to get any kind of results, and your results will be different to mine. Now, I'm saying all of this just to be compliant. I cannot guarantee you anything. So let's go ahead and just put the My Legion Secret tracking code. You can see right here, it's about $3,840 in commissions is what I've earned so far all time. This is at the time of when I'm shooting this video, which is in May itself, right? Okay, so you understand exactly what's the possibilities. Now, each and every time I make a sale, guys, what I do is I take the email that I've written and I add it to this list right here, and I've divided it per product that I have shared, right? So each and every time I make a sale, I put them here and I basically save these emails. Now, the way I use these emails is to save me time. To save me time of thinking, oh, okay, what should I write about? What are the elements that I needed? And what do I do? So I'm going to literally go through the entire process with you of when I need to now write, let's say for the next couple of weeks or next couple of days. This week, for example, I've written up to today, which is a Wednesday when I'm shooting this video. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I do not have videos. So I need to write emails. I need to write 3 more emails for the next 3 days, just because on a Sunday, I didn't really do it for the entire week. I just did it for 3 days because I was a little bit busy. It's okay, but it's how I save time. Okay, so this is what I'm doing for the next few days. Why? Because then once I do it this way and I write these emails in advance, what I can do is literally just copy the content of the emails, paste them into my Legion Secret in the morning, and send out the email and go about my day, which will take me less than 5 minutes. Okay, so spending the time now to be able to then save the time every single day and focus on my day as usual. So let me go ahead and do it with you guys so that you can see. As you can see right here, I'm going to be basically using this email, which I decided I would use. It is a My Legion Secret email. It's in the month of February that I used this last email, and I have not used it another time, but I made a sale from it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I've copied this email. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and yes, I do leverage ChatGPT, guys. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, do you do you recognize or do you understand this email? Can you tell me the different elements to the email and the tone of the email? Okay. And then I post the email and share it with ChatGPT. Okay. And now let's see how ChatGPT is breaking down this email for me. First and foremost, they tell me about the subject. They tell me about the salutation. They tell me about the introduction. They tell me about the main message. They told me about the call to action, the personal experience, and the closing. As for the tone of the email strikes a balance between informal and persuasive. It's written in a conversational style, using a language like, hey, trust, blah, blah. This is basically telling you the tone is enthusiastic and aims to persuade the recipient to explore affiliate marketing as a potential solution to their work and income challenges. So you see that I know that now ChatGPT has understood exactly what the email is about. I want to recreate this email with the following different subject, no words like secret, sauce, or other hype marketing words, language. Then I'm gonna say, please keep the same tone, and also, yeah, keep the same tone and all the elements you mentioned above. Okay, and then I'm just going to send it here, and let's see what ChatGPT does. Certainly, and now they're recreating this version for me, right? This is already too long. Can you make it shorter by 100 words? Okay, and then I also want the subject should be with how. Okay, there's a reason why I'm doing this, because when I speak to ChatGPT and they're doing the bulk of the work for me, right? So that's the beauty behind it. And now let's see what the email that they've come up with. How affiliate marketing transform my work-life balance. That's a good subject, to be honest. That's something that I would like. Hey, hope you're doing well. Balancing work and earnings was a struggle until I found affiliate marketing. No, this is too promotional already for me. This is too promotional for me. Can you please rewrite the email as per rewrite with this same tone? And I'm gonna post the email again. Why? Because I think it makes sense for them to, start to make sure that I'm getting the right email. And I already think this email is gonna be better. Let's see. How affiliate marketing changed my approach to work and earnings. I hope this message finds you well. When I ventured out into the affiliate marketing world, solution, juggling work and earnings, affiliate marketing emerged as a solution, offering me a path. Okay, so this is too formal for me, but it's got the message as I see about full time and everything else. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this and we're gonna be pasting it into this section right here. Now I'm gonna be actually this is 16 May because that's where I need to post it, and I'm gonna be posting it here. And now I'm going to edit it here, guys. So what I'm going to basically do, I'm going to leave I like the previous work-life balance kind of subject. So let me take that because I really liked it. And let's just, how do I affiliate marketing transform my work-life balance? This is so me in this sense that it is just, let's use it. Okay. And we keep the message the same. I don't think it's needed to say I hope this message finds you well, because there's no needed. Here is a little background information, background story. When I ventured into the online world, I was seeking a solution, juggling work and earnings. Affiliate marketing has become that solution, offering me a path forward, and since then becoming a true blessing. In avoiding affiliate marketing, it is a practical means to enhance your skills without sacrificing your full-time job. It's straightforward, avoids gimmicks, and ultimately impacts your earnings or your income, okay, because that's what it does. And I'm gonna put a call to action here. Click here now. What resonated with me was its efficiency with time, and so on. With little time to spare to my full-time job, I found the direct approach to affiliate marketing, which has made refreshing and effective. Perfect. I don't like this because it's more than four. I usually like to keep to 4 lines. So let me just do this and keep it to 4 lines by doing this and then doing this. Perfecto. Now I'm happy. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Let's just do that, and we go here. We go here, here. Perfect. Perfect. I think this is perfect. Interested in discovering, not me. Let me share more. Actually, let me do it's all thanks to this training below. Click here now. Imagine sharing products you genuinely believe in and effortlessly earning commissions. It's an ideal side hustle, in my opinion. In my opinion, for those who are navigating a busy schedule. This is not me. Are you ready to take the next step? Best regards. And that's it. This is my email, guys, with two call to actions. As you guys can see, I've not added the exact same things from ChatGPT, because that's just not the way I speak, right? So you have to adapt the email according to how you as an individual are. I've done a few things here, and I just want to go through the elements. First and foremost, I saved the email right here. So this is the email that I can copy and paste. It has the suffix already that I will use with my Legion secret, just for you guys to understand. But it also has a link that I'm going to be using with the tracking code already there. So I just copy pasted, and at the end of the day, I can just copy this into my Legion secret and then take the link, copy the link, and then add it as a hyperlink to the click here now and click here now. Okay, so that's what exactly I'm doing. But otherwise, I've kept the format, as you guys can see, more vertical, not long based, so that this email gets done quickly and is finished quite quickly. And I will repeat this process, guys, for the next two emails, so that this week I got covered, because Sunday's email is already ready for me. And that's it. This is pretty much on a weekly basis what I do to save time. I have it in this document, and then every single time I make a sale, let's say I've written this email and now it's got a sale, I'm going to take this email which has got me a sale and add it to this list right here. So I'm building my portfolio, I'm building my template of winning emails, which I can repeat the same elements, which I can repeat the same elements basically in my email, and then have that converting for me, have a right flow in the email, and so on and so forth. And the other thing that I can do is I can utilize these emails at least twice. I wouldn't share with you more than, I wouldn't say more than twice, but at least twice I can use them. So hopefully you got training out of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the way that I'm sharing with you. And if you did, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. If you want to reach out to me and ask me any more questions, go ahead and do so. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.